We are debating whether a container technology is appropriate for us. So I made a short video, short demonstration how it works. So first, to begin with, let me compare virtual machines and containers. Most of us have heard VMware. VMware is one of the virtual machine technology vendor. So Docker is one of the container technology vendor. So if I were to compare, the most significant difference is virtual machines are huge. Usually it comes as a couple of gigabytes. On the other hand, containers are only a couple of megabytes in size. So maybe 100 times or 1,000 times, couple of 100 times difference in size. So consequently, containers are easy to deploy. So a container contains basically libraries, source code. Let's have a look at actual programs. So one of the application I built, for example, is a really simple application web programs. Let me run the system, run the code. So it displays hello world. So it defines hello world application. It displays hello world. It says bare, then I can build a Docker. So the advantage of building Docker is once I build a Docker, then I can send it to another person. So the Docker configuration file, Docker file, contains all those necessary information. Now you may need two more files like requirements.txt, what kind of library is required, and Docker file has what kind of port and other detail, a little bit of information. Once I click right mouse click and build the image, it builds the image. So nowadays, all those tools are highly automated. You don't have to remember all those details. Just mouse click and run. So it says successfully built. Then let me go back to the this is the file I extracted. So the size of the file is 130 bytes. So in comparison with the virtual machine, it is still fairly small. Then I can send it to another person, then another person can load the image into their system, like Docker, load, and Flask demo. So once it is loaded, then you will be able to see running images here. And this is running container. So basically that's it. So this is a fairly short demonstration. So I think it can be used fairly, it serves a lot for us. And another reason I want to have a look at the technologies, we chose Gitlab as our default source code repository. Then let me type Docker. I find that Docker is natively supported by Gitlab. So there's another reason why we want to utilize Docker. Let me recap. It is a very convenient tool to deploy applications to another machine. For that matter, if I were to deploy an application to an edge device, container technology is very convenient tool. And we happen to use Gitlab, and Gitlab happens to support a Docker by default. So we may want to utilize a Docker technology. That's all for now. Thank you.